Big yawn. This is his first time in this swing. Can't put him in the swing when Elijah's down here because Elijah still doesn't know like how to be gentle. He knows how to say gentle and kind of massage him on the head, but then he tries to like hit him. So while Elijah is still sleeping, Isaac can test out his little swing or bounce or whatever you want to call it. So last night I washed the carpets down here, so I have to slowly put everything back in place. Isaac is already sleeping, but I have to go ahead and clean everything and put it back. And also I'm going to try to go ahead and spray everything down and wipe it. So throughout the video I'm going to be doing a lot of cleaning, so join along with me. So today is Friday. This is the day Eddie has off, so I'm just going to take you guys along with what it looks like with 2 under 2 on a Friday for us. Going to go ahead and put everything away. This is a carpet cleaner I use. This is the Bissell Pro Heat. Here is the TikTok video of me cleaning the carpet. Go ahead and follow me on TikTok where I post a lot of cleaning and lifestyle videos. Also, one of my favorite cleaning products, it's a vacuum and a mop. Tineco S5, and it's literally amazing. And then right here is a rug for our basement. Hopefully you like it because the return date has passed. Our couches are in the garage, so I'm so ready to get the basement done and get stuff moved down. So for the most part, I have everything reset up down here. The little one's screaming upstairs, so I gotta go grab him. Hey, good morning. So normally Eddie grabs him on Fridays, but I think this little one woke up last night, kept Eddie up a little bit, so. Kiss him all day. I had his stinky diaper changed and changed him out of the outfit. He got a new outfit. He's ready to go downstairs and eat and play. So we were ready for breakfast, but you can see he already stole Isaac's pacifier. Ready to go play now. I already had to move these chairs back because Elijah was already trying to climb up to the counter. Gotta get Isaac in the snuggle me because Elijah might hit, but they do have matching outfits today. Not do that. Mama's gonna move Isaac, okay? You can give him a kiss? Yeah, baby brother. They're matching outfits. Yeah, he's gonna wanna get in now. Acting like a little baby now. So he wears these onesies because he has really, really severe eczema due to his allergies and all that. As you can see, there's a little bit there. And as I predicted, he did climb in because he saw Isaac was in it, so now he wants to go in it. So he's all swaddled. I'm gonna grab my coffee and then lounge on the couch for a little bit, watch Elijah play. He already found his toy box over here and opened it, so. But yeah, this is gonna get destroyed real quick. Just finished washing all the dishes and then loaded them up into the dishwasher. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and wash the bottles. So all the bottles are washed. And Elijah's over here already vacuuming. Good job, baby. Show mama. Yeah, good job. Now I made some macaroni for Elijah to snack on. And I'm gonna grab my coffee and place a Target pickup. We need groceries, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Going to enjoy the sun peeking through and place my Target order. The things this child tries to take with him on that. And this is by BB Ruka. Oh, yeah. You okay? That's why we don't take toys all the way up there. Usually a lot better at climbing it. He normally doesn't attempt to take the vacuum with him. Elijah, can you turn the vacuum off? That gets so annoying sometimes. I think he likes like the car ones. Let's see. Can you turn off the vacuum, please? The new Nerf Dino Squad. Thank you. Look what you have over here. So he's eating his noodles. I paused the cartoon so it doesn't have copyright music, but he's eating his noodles off the plate. Sometimes he'll sit down in the chair, or else he'll just grab some snacks and then climb and go back. So he sat down in his chair. We covered it because it's a white chair right now, because he's gonna get stains all over it, so we put a blanket on it. And then, okay, you're gonna press play? Here, Mama, press play. Yeah. I should add really quickly before I let him kind of eat and watch cartoons is it's a little repeat in the morning. I pump, feed the children, change their diapers, and it's a repeat on Fridays. We went out and got some lunch and now and did a Target pickup, so I'm putting away, I got new sugar, new flour, and then I put away all the refrigerated stuff, and then we have some powdered sugar I have to put away. Got some new teas to try, the peach honey, raspberry. I love this popcorn. Another breastfeeding, pumping, craving, sweet and salty popcorn. I love this. And then this is Eddie's kind of snack that he loves, which is the chewy chocolate chips. Time for a little bath for Isaac. And it's time for Elijah to take his nap. Are you ready for nap? Have Isaac's outfit, his diaper, towel, and his bath items. And this is how I kind of keep him warm. Are you ready for your bath? Look at him. He's over here. He's actually pretty entertained looking at the faucet. So just like that, we finished the bath. Got him in a new outfit. Gonna go ahead and swaddle him up. All right, he's all swaddled. Time for a feeding. He's a little upset about the bath. After this, then I will go ahead and pump, right? So it's 3:30, Isaac is still napping. He's kind of getting ready to get up to eat. I'm gonna go ahead and get Elijah since he woke up about 10-15 minutes ago. He's been playing in the crib. Going to go get him and then see what we're gonna do for today. Have both the pacifiers, watch. You're gonna have one on standby. So let's go to Dada, and Dada's gonna get you all undressed and changed. Mama's gonna go feed Isaac, okay? So he's gonna go to Dada while Mama gets Isaac downstairs, right? So we're downstairs giving Isaac another feeding, deciding on what to do. It's super hot outside today, so I have no idea what to do, but we'll probably figure something out. So my all-purpose flour and sugar have been replaced along with the pasta, some of these containers. So I totally forgot to do the Target pickup for the breast milk babies, but luckily, what are you pushing Mama for? You want to get up? Hold on. So, luckily I have some of these ones, but the Up and Up, I've noticed that they leak. So, the ones I have been using are these ones. I don't know what brand that is, but that's the brand I've been using, and I ran out, so I switched to Up and Up. So hopefully those don't leak. So I have to get all of this milk transferred into this and wash bottles and then pump. And I also need to pick up a better marker because this one's a super Sharpie and it's hard to write with it. But yeah, let's get all of this in. That's that. Time to wash the bottles. The bottles have been washed. I use this little tray from IKEA. So this is the pump I use. It's a Spectra. I do use other pumps. I have the wireless one, but since I'm not really on the go right now, I don't mind sitting and being plugged in. But I do have the LV that I use if I have to travel or drive a longer distance, and then I have the handheld as well, which has been a lifesaver. So I pumped about 4 ounces. Normally I'll pump about anywhere from 4 to 6. It's time to mop these floors. They got pretty dirty. The contractor working on our basement has been going up and down the stairs here, so time to mop. Along with having a toddler, these floors are never clean.
Self-cleaning cycle. Please clean dirty, start self-cleaning.
So this is going to go ahead and self-clean. If I go down here, you're going to see it's going to start rotating and cleaning the roller. So while that's deep cleaning over there, I want to show you guys how beautiful the floors look after. They're sparkly clean, and as you can see over here, that's all clean and all of that footprints are all gone. And the floor. So I'm just going to empty this out, take the filter out, and then I'm going to wash that. And then I like to take this top so that comes off. And here's like the filter that catches like any hair or anything like that. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the water dump. And to wash everything. So go ahead and rinse off this. And quickly rinse out the filter. So the parts are pretty easy to rinse off. Most of them you just have to rinse off. The only thing that I ever scrub is the dirty tank, but sometimes I can just get away with rinsing it. But for sure the roller needs a deep cleaning. Look what he discovered. He is using my O-Cedar. This is another thing I like to use. This little boy's so smart. He figured out the little step tool here. Watch your head. And he put... Elijah, what noise does a dog make? Huh? He says Dada. He says Google. He says gentle. Right? And you know what kind of noise a dog makes, right? What else does he say?
Doesn't say juice.
He says juice now. He says this, right? What, can you say mama? Can you say mama? No, you're still stuck on the dog, huh? Isaac is having another feeding now. So he's been fed and has been burped. And now he needs a diaper change, right? Just fed Isaac and now I am pumping again. I pump about 5 minutes on my left and about 5 minutes on my right. So I'm almost done pumping. Might head out to Target. Quickly stopping by at Target. We have Elijah here. Isaac over there. No.
Baby.
Gonna go to Dada. So we got more brownies. Some strawberries. I'm getting this breast milk storage bags. These are $10. I would normally get these because I usually love the Up and Up brand. These are 100 for only $11.99. And these are 50 for $10. But these leak. So I really wanted to love these sippy cups. These are like the training cups. They're only $10 for 3. One of them, we threw them out because it started to leak, and then just recently the other 2 started to leak. Is that a dog? Huh? Yeah, it's a dog, huh? Look, he's coughing how he's sitting. Right? It's way past Elijah's bedtime. But hopefully maybe keeping him up a little bit later and readjust his bedtime all over again. What's over there? Truck? That's a big truck, huh? For Isaac right now, we use the Nuna Light. And then for Elijah, we use the Even Flow, and it like twists 360. So this is how the night feeding's going. Hey, no, Elijah. Yeah, he's getting ready for bed. We're past his bedtime, so he's cranky. All right, gonna give Elijah a diaper change, which normally kind of wakes him up. Gonna go ahead and feed him and then pump, and then I can relax for the rest of the night. And like I said, he's awake from the diaper change, and I'm gonna go ahead and feed him and then burp him, and then Mama's gonna pump more milk for you. Yeah, do you like that plan? I think I have to refix this. A little too high. He's eating it, so I'm gonna have to readjust the swaddle a little bit. Is that nummy? And then this is where he's gonna sleep at night. And when I was pregnant, I had an ice obsession, and I still do. So this is like almost a venti cup of ice and a little bit of orange juice. I love his little snuggles when I have to burp him, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get him burped, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pump, maybe grab a little snack while I pump, and then watch a TV show or something to kind of unwind and relax for the day. I'm gonna go ahead and drink my orange juice, put him down after he burps, watch some TV, unwind, and then yeah. So I'm gonna close off the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It's been a long day now that's over. Definitely past Elijah's bedtime. Eddie's putting him to sleep. But comment down below what type of videos you would like to see. If hopefully I can start re-uploading on YouTube again.